The Honorable Supreme Court of India's decision in Sharda versus Dharampal is a landmark judgment that addresses the balance between an individual's right to privacy and the court's authority to ensure justice in matrimonial disputes. What were the facts of this case? Sharda and Dharampal were married in 1991. In 1995, Dharampal filed a divorce under Section 12 Clause 1 Subclause B and 13 Clause 1 Subclause 3 of Hindu Marriage Act. Alleging that Sharda was of unsound mind, he sought a court directive for Sharda to undergo a medical examination to substantiate his claims. Sharda objected, citing violation of her fundamental rights. The trial court ordered the medical examination and Rajasthan High Court upheld this decision. Sharda then appealed to Honorable Supreme Court. What were the legal issues? Can a matrimonial court compel a party to undergo a medical examination? And does such compulsion violate the individual's right to personal liberty and privacy under Article 21 of the Constitution? What was the Supreme Court's analysis and verdict in this particular case? The Honorable Supreme Court held that inherent powers of the court, while no specific statutory provision authorizes courts to compel medical examination, courts possesses inherent powers under Section 151 of Civil Procedure Code to make such orders when necessary for justice. The court acknowledged the importance of right to privacy under Article 21, but emphasized that this right is not absolute. In the matrimonial cases, especially when mental health is in question, the need to ascertain the truth can necessitate such examinations. Conditions for compulsion. Courts should exercise this power judicially, ensuring a strong prima facie case exists. The examination is essential for justice. The individual's rights are respected as much as possible. Adverse inference. If a party refuses to comply with the court's directive for medical examination, the court may draw an adverse inference against them. What is the significance of this judgment? This judgment is a pivotal in Indian matrimonial law, as it clarifies the extent of the court's inherent powers in the absence of explicit statutory provisions, balancing individual fundamental rights with necessity of ensuring justice, sets a precedent for handling similar disputes where mental health is contested issue. Thank you so much. I hope this video is informative for you all.